Real quick video here. My W123 fuel filler door doesn't quite fit right, and let me show you why and the solution that I've got that'll fix your fuel filler door. Let's take a look at it. All right, so my shadow is kind of in here because of the sun, but if you look back here, see how this side is like dived in a bit? It needs to flop out, and that means the lock won't even engage there. And the reason for that is there's this little hole that there's supposed to be a stopper in, and from everything that I've searched, these stoppers are basically discontinued. Mine had a little nut and a bolt in there for a while, then that fell out and just kind of vanished. So I found these little things. They're a little rubber stopper that you can get on Amazon. The link is down in the description, of course, and that just pops in there like that. And now look at that. It's not half bad. It might not be perfect, but it sure fits nice. And now when it shuts, it's got a rubber stop to stop it from chipping the paint like it has up here on mine. And yeah, I know my car's paint isn't perfect, but that just helps protect what I do have there. So check that out. If you're missing your stopper, go ahead and pick one of these up. And that's literally all the video is. So get yourself a stopper for your W123 fuel door. This might also work on 116s, 126s, 124s. I'm not sure, but the things were cheap, so it's worth a try. Thanks for watching.